am loving it.
Hello, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm inspired to do a Nichido One Brand Makeup tutorial. And so if you're interested to know how I did this look and how I used the product and what are my thoughts, so please keep on watching. So I grab a foundation stick because I already tried their cake foundation and their pressed foundation and it works very well. So I have the shade Beige and the product contains 9 ml and it really blends very well. Yes, it's buildable as well and the color payoff is really nice. So this is the first time that I used this product and I'm very impressed given for its affordable price. It performs very well. If you're a person who has an issue of smell, this product has a tolerable fragrance. If smell matters to you, then you're going to deal with it. The foundation is a dewy finish, so you need to set it with setting powder. And I use the Nichido Ivory setting powder, which is my favorite. As always, I use it as my baking and my setting powder, and I applied it all over my face because I'm on the oily side for those of you who do not know. Yes, and don't forget the neck as always. I love this product, you know that. And then followed by this trusted Nichido brow pencil, which I really love. Don't forget to check the brow tutorial in the description box. And then followed by this beautiful brow gel mascara under the shade of brunette. And then my favorite Cool Rum Nichido blush. So the color is really nice. I used it on my wedding day and it was really a bomb. Since then I was in love with this blush, and then just applying it on the side of my face and as well as my cheeks because I use it as my just a hint, just to add a little bit of color on the side of my face and on my forehead as well because I don't have a contouring powder. They don't have either. Yes, and your jawline of course. And then I also applied it, just a tip, I also applied it as my transition color for my eyeshadow. And it looks really nice. It's fine. Just don't forget to blend. And on the outer side of my eyes, I use this brown eyeshadow powder, which is under the shade of Raisin wine, I think. Yes, I concentrated it in the outer side of my crease and the inner corner of my eye, and then I just blend it out with a small blending brush to remove the harsh lines. Yes, there you go. And after that, I applied this beautiful gold frost eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid, just like so. Yes, beautiful. And then don't forget to blend the harsh lines. Okay, and then after that, I apply this beautiful Nichido liquid eyeliner, which I really vouch for because I love the tip or the applicator of this eyeliner because it can easily create that snatched wing liner. And don't forget to curl your lashes and then apply this beautiful Nichido volumizing mascara. And this is really good because it's waterproof and it really makes my lashes thick and voluminous. Using the Cool Rum blush on my lower lash line, applying it like so, and then I also use the Raisin wine eyeshadow to intensify the lower lash line until the middle part. Using the Nichido Ivory powder to clean my wing liner, and whatever's left on my blending brush, I use it to contour my nose. Moving on with the lips, I use the Nichido Rosette lip liner to outline my lips. What I usually do on this lip liner is that I use this as my lipstick as well because the pigmentation of this lip liner is very nice. You can stop on that part, but for me, I like to layer it out, so I use this beautiful lipstick under the shade of Satin Moist Party Queen. And this lipstick smells really good, guys. I love the smell of this lipstick. Then dust off the excess powder and you're done. Voila! This is the finished look. Nichido is a really good local brand here in the Philippines, so if you're into makeup and you want to save without compromising the quality, so this local products is for you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please share this video, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.